Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens bright and early on a Sunday morning to do some deals for the week of September 10th through the 16th, and I am excited about today's deals. Now, I got one spend booster and it's big, but I think I come up with a decent scenario to where it'll work out to be a pretty good deal. But if you don't want to do that, a transaction using that booster, do not feel obligated to do that. I've never had a booster that was spend 60, get back $12 in Walgreens cash, and the only way I would suggest anyone to do that is if you compare it with a paper booster, because that's pretty high. But I think we've got some good register reward deals, and we've got some good Ibotta rebates to make it worthwhile. That's me personally. And so, of course, I'm here to show you a deal for that. We're also going to do another transaction first to try to get a large register reward to help lower our out-of-pocket for the bigger transaction. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So for the first transaction, we're going to do the promotion with the Icy Hot and the Act mouthwash. It's spend 30, get back a $10 register reward. So I'm going to grab 3 of the Act mouthwashes. You only see me grab 2 of them here because I thought that that would be enough. So they're buy one get one 40% off. So one is $4.99 and one is $2.99. And we're going to go to the kids section for the medicine, and we're going to grab some Icy Hot. These are also buy one get one 40% off. I'm grabbing 2 of them, and they're $11.49 a piece. So one would be $11.49. The other one would be $6.89. So for all 5 products here, the total will equal out to $31.35. I have a $2 digital for one of the Icy Hot Kids, and I have a $1 digital for the Act mouthwash. I'm also going to submit my receipt to Shop.with for the other $2 back. Or for the $2 back for the other Icy Hot. So we'll pay $28.35 in the store, but we will also get back a $10 register reward for the spend 30, get 10, and then we should also get back a $4 register reward on a separate promotion for the kids Icy Hot. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $2 for each one of the Icy Hots, and I'm submitting my receipt to Shop.with for the other $2 back. I'm also going to get back $1 for each one of the Axe Kids mouthwash. That's going to make all 5 products just $4.35, which I think is a really good deal. Plus we have some register rewards for our next transaction. So with this transaction, we're going to start off with the twin pack of the Oral-B Pulsar toothbrushes. They are on sale for $10.99. Grab 2 of them. Your total will be $21.98. But then I have a $3 digital coupon. Now you could do this a little bit cheaper and grab one of the Click toothbrushes if you have that $5 digital, but on this account I do not have that. So then that would make these $18.98. We will get back a $6 register reward for spending $12, and then we'll get back that $5 P&G coupon. So we'll get back another $11, making both of these just $7.98. But we're going to pair it in with our spend boosters, and that's going to make them a much better deal. So then the next deal we're going to do is on the Crest Brilliance. This is just kind of to get my transaction up to that $60 mark. So these are buy 2 get 5. They're $7 a piece. The 2 of them will cost $14. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that'll make our total $9, but then we'll get back that $5 register reward, making them $4. So coming from on sale for $14 for both of them down to $4 is a pretty darn good deal. We don't have that Ibotta rebate anymore, but you never know. It might come back around. So I think this is a great deal by itself even. So this next promotion I'm really excited about, and that's on the Caress Body Wash. This is on promotion for buy 2, get back $2 in Walgreens cash, and they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. So they're $8.49 and one will be at $4.24. That equals out to $12.73. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so we'll pay $9.73. We will get back $2 in Walgreens cash. We'll also get back a $2 register reward for buying 2 of them because there's a separate Catalina promotion for when you buy 1, you get back $1, or if you buy 2 or more, you get back $2. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $1 on each one. That's going to make both of these just $3.73, which is a little more than what I would typically pay for body wash, but we never get a deal on Caress. Maybe once a year, if that even, so that's why I'm excited about it. So the next deal we're going to do is on some Revlon makeup, and this month Revlon makeup is buy two, well, it's all makeup, it's buy two, get the third one free. So I'm going to grab this concealer here for $13.99, and then I am going to grab, I was trying to focus that better for you, and I'm going to grab a lipstick for $10.99. Now that's going to equal out to $24.98. I am going to grab a third one because the third one is free. So we have a $5 digital coupon for a face product and a $4 digital for a lip product. Now, if you have any other coupons, those will not come off of that free product, so our total will be $15.98 for the 3 products. But then we're going to get back $9 on Ibotta. We're going to get back $3 for each one of the lipsticks, even the one that's free, and $3 for the face product. That's going to make all 3 products just $6.98, which isn't amazing, but we have a booster. Of course, we have the boosters, and we're getting $9 in cash back. Next, we're going to do the Persil. The Persil is buy one, get back a $2 register reward. So, of course, I'm going to grab one at $5.99. But I have a $2 coupon in my stash. That's from the inside of some Persil discs. So that's another $2 off. That'll make my total $3.99. But then I'll get back a $2 register reward, and I'll also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1. That's going to make this bottle of laundry soap just 99 cents, which is perfect for Persil. So that is everything that I am grabbing. I do have a paper booster of spend $40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash that I will be using. I also have a couple of register rewards to help lower my out-of-pocket. And then when I was on my way to check out, I saw something that I've been meaning to mention. If your store has the Halloween Kinder eggs, these are $2.49 and they're normal price. And when you buy 2 of them, you get back $4 on swag bucks, and you can buy 4 of them at one time. So you would end up paying $1 for 2 of them, or if you maxed out the deal, then you would be paying $2 for 4 of them. And if that's something your kids love, then that's great. So let's go check out and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens, and I shouldn't have come to the store. I should not have come to the store. I came to the store because it was the only store in my area that actually had Caress body wash, and I wanted to show you guys the deal on the Caress body wash and not the bar soap, which all the other stores in my area do have. And I shouldn't have come here. Why? Because not a single register reward printed, and it felt like a punch in the gut. It did, because I was supposed to get back $32 in register rewards, and I didn't get it back, not a one. And I know the machine is working because one of these printed out on my first transaction. And it felt like a punch in the gut. The first transaction, I thought maybe it was just, I don't know. You know what I mean? Because you try the deals and sometimes they don't print, and it's just like, well, maybe something. But then when I did the next transaction and not one of them come out for the Persil, the Crest, the Oral-B, not the $5 P&G coupon, none of that printed out, I walked out of there feeling extremely defeated. So I ended up paying a lot more than I expected, and I didn't have to, but I was a little flustered. I was a little flustered in there. I wanted to use some Walgreens cash because my transaction was so high. I forgot to even do that because in my mind I'm thinking, okay, it's only $10. Nope, it's $14. And you know what I mean? And so that goes through your mind, and I just felt so defeated. I still feel defeated because I just got back in the car. But the store, they did give me back quite a bit of Walgreens cash, but I'm going to talk to customer service, and I need to wait a little while before I call them because I don't want to be extremely angry with them, because That is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I know that they're just going to refer me to the Catalina company, and I will submit my receipt to all of my stuff here to the Catalina company. But the store tried to make it right, and I could just not submit to the Catalina company. But I don't know, just something in me says you need to submit them all to the Catalina company. You also need to call customer service, because that is just, I don't know. It just doesn't feel right, you know? So I will go over my receipt and the deal, and I'll tell you how much it costs for me. It'll be a little bit better of a deal for me because of the increments of the Walgreens cash store gives. But I don't know if it's a problem with Sunday morning or if it's this store. I don't know. But I just think Walgreens needs to know that $32 of the stuff that they say that is supposed to work for us did not work, and it just doesn't feel right, you know, without talking to them. If it was $5 or something, it would be different, but that's every single register reward deal. So anyways, let's talk about the first transaction with the Icy Hot. So I got the kids Icy Hot and 3 bottles of the Act Kids mouthwash, because the store here was priced at $4.99, and I wouldn't be right at $30, or I'd be right at $30, but I need, of course, you need to be over $30. So I had a $2 digital coupon come off for the Icy Hot and a $1 digital coupon come off for the Act Kids mouthwash. And then I submitted my receipt to Shop.with for the other $2 back. I should have gotten back $14 in register rewards, $4 for the Icy Hot, and then $10 for the spend 30, get 10. But the store, they gave me $15 in Walgreens cash. I then submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2 for each one of the Icy Hots, and then it only picked up one of the Act Kids mouthwash. So I will submit a thing there for Ibotta for the other $2 back. So my total for that transaction is $4.35, which I don't think is half bad. I really don't, considering that one bottle of mouthwash is $4.99, and my boyfriend's kids love it. So that is it's a good deal, I think, for that type of product, because they love it. So yeah. So anyways, then I wanted to take the $10 and the $4 register reward and use it on my next transaction, because it's a bigger transaction. So I also want to add that you could use the contactless method of payment if you did this transaction, and you can use $10 in Walgreens cash. So I wanted to take that $10 register reward and the $4 register reward and use it on this transaction so that my out-of-pocket wasn't so high. I also was going to use $10 in Walgreens cash for the same reason. Because even if I use $10 in Walgreens cash, with the amount of cash out of pocket that I would pay plus the amount of my coupons, I would be at over $60. So I could use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. I would just need to use the contactless method of payment. But like I said, I got flustered and I was already nervous because it was a store I'd never been to. I had the spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash booster. I had that Persil coupon that was in my an old package of the discs, and then I had a $5 register reward and then a $5 P&G coupon for the Crest and Oral-B products that I bought. So then with this one, all of my digital coupons came off totally fine. So that wasn't the problem here at this store. That was great. I love when all my digitals come off. It makes it very nice, but no register rewards. So you'll only see the numbers, but I had a $5 digital for the Crest, a $5 digital for the Revlon foundation. Well, it's a concealer. Then I had a $4 digital for the Revlon lipstick. And then I had a $4 digital that I didn't understand where it come from. So I looked at my redeemed coupons, and I had a 4 off of 2. I'd had it for quite a while. It was a 4 off 2 only for you Oral-B coupon for multi-packs, and it did come off of the Oral-B toothbrushes that I got because they're considered multi-packs. I just didn't think it would work on the Pulsar, because it typically will say, you know, Pulsar on there on the coupon. So instead of a $3 coupon, I had a $4 coupon come off, so that was nice. And then I had the 3 off 2 digital for the Caress. So my total was $46.68, and I don't even want to talk about that. It's $46.68. So nothing printed on the bottom of my receipt, so I'll go in my app and show you. I did get back $23.79 in Walgreens cash. So I got 12 for my digital booster and 9 for my paper booster, and then 2 for the Caress. So I should have gotten back a $2 register reward for the Persil, a $6 register reward for the Oral-B, a $5 register reward for the Crest, and then the $5 P&G coupon. The store did give me $20 in Walgreens cash back instead of like the $18. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $12 on Ibotta. So I got back $3 for each one of the lipsticks for the Revlon. I got back $3 for the concealer. I got back $1 for each one of the Caress body washes and $1 for the Persil. So that transaction ends up being free and a $9.11 moneymaker. And it's nice that I'm getting back $12 in cash. But I just, like I said, I feel defeated. And I know I probably shouldn't beat myself up over it, but so like I said, I can't help but feel defeated because $32 back in register rewards would be extremely helpful in future transactions. And I'm just like everyone else. I'm just a normal person that coupons, that tries to save money, that tries to get through the week, that tries to get through the month. I don't make the money that people might think a YouTuber would make. There are other people that make a lot more, and there's other people that make a lot less. But yeah, I just don't make what people would think that I make. So I'm just a typical regular person that coupons for her family, for herself, to make money stretch. You know, I don't drive a fancy car. I don't have a fancy house. You know, I'm just a typical person, regular person. So, I mean, when those hits come, they hurt. So, but anyways, I hope that you enjoyed my transactions though, because I do like the stuff that I got. I mean, this stuff, I'm so happy to get this stuff. It smells so good. But anyways, I'm going to go home and I'm going to try and enjoy the rest of my day because it is a beautiful day out. So anyways, guys, that is all I have. Oh, you want to know my total? You'll probably want to know my total. So my total for everything, including the transaction that I did just to try to get a big register reward, that makes everything free and like a $4.76 moneymaker. So, I mean, it's still great deals, but if you get the register rewards, to me, it's a better deal. So anyways, that's all I have for you today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.